On the Ghealach, the Irish word for the moon. For centuries the moon was seen to influence our moods and emotions. It's so interesting to me that the Irish word for madness is associated with the Irish word for the moon, Ghealt, connected to the word Geal, meaning brightness. In olden days, an asylum was called Teach na Ngealt, or House of the Mad. In Kerry there was a valley called Ghealach na Ngealt, Valley of the Mad, which has a Tubber na Ngealt, Well of the Mad. References to the healing properties of this well date back as far as 1584, when the King of Ulster was said to have visited this well, drank of its waters, and was miraculously cured of his madness. Some healing wells in Ireland were later found to have small doses of lithium in them, as are used in modern medicines today. The moon has a face that we can see, and a side unseen that is in the shadow. From a Jungian depth psychology perspective, this is a wonderful symbol for our own psyche. To know our own wholeness is to come to know the shadow parts of ourselves. Shadow is the pain we've forgotten, the parts of ourselves we suppressed in order to fit in. What is wonderful about our shadow is how, although daunting, when we do embrace and meet it, it holds such richness for our personal growth and development. How wonderful that we can be reminded of this when we look up at the night sky and see on the Ghealach, the Irish word for the moon.